tayo. Hello po. Matutulog na po kami. Ito po yung aming entertainer. Ayan po. Si Spider-Man. Tapos si Bunny Pupu. Ni Elias. At ito po siya. Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing.
I see it. You're getting the banana and then you did not eat. You're wasting food.
Nanay, regular ka na alam, nanay. Some fruits, nanay, are dangerous fruits. So, nanay, actually, nanay.
Actually.
So, the pear, nanay, was exhausted.
Hello po.
She only nodding kantiya.
Ay, ang cellphone. Lago.
Ay, kunyeto.
Sabi ni Tita Jem.
Mas kunyeto. Mustendeto.
Thank you po for watching.
Ay, kumapa.
Galing po ako ng Kapilia.
Audition.
Ayan. Kaya po, sila lang ang naiwan.
Suwate, papapam.
Thank you po sa for viewers in the house. Thank you for watching. Thank you po sa 15 likes ng aking live. Meron na po tayong 2 hours and 9 minutes live. Ayan. Thank you po sa lahat. Time check. What is the time now? What is the time now? Oh no. But I think it's already 8 o'clock. Oh, you say good night na. Good night po.
Mommy, back the ball very empty.
Yeah.
Oh, Mama.
You say good night na. Hey, don't go up the table. Sige, di. Nagre-wrestling na po sila. Ayan. Thank you po sa lahat. Thank you po sa aking 6 viewers in the house. Highly appreciated po. How can you open the banana? You need help? Giddy wants to eat
So,
banana.
Nanay, I'll teach you something.
What is the color of the banana?
So, Nanay, I'll teach
What is the color of the banana?
Yes, if you-
Can you tell me the color of the banana?
you.
The banana peel is color yellow and the inside is color white.
And so,
See?
I'll teach you. Look, I see.
Is it delicious?
I know it's something strange.
Yummy?
Happens. If you actually
You show them.
so Nanay, and if you objection the old thing in the small street, but it's actually look, if there's a lucky one, there's something happy. It becomes old if you open it unpoised, but you will see the whole worm. It's poison.
You're the monkey.
But
Kamala, let's go.
what's with
Good
that?
night po. Hey, matatanggal yung live ko. Good night po sa lahat. Stay tuned po. Patulugin ko lang po ang kiddos. Ayan. Dito po muna si Spider-Man. Siya po muna ang bantay. Pati po si Bunny Pupu. Hey, Elias, get out there! Ay, naku. Napu-pull down na naman yung aking live.
So Nanay, I'll teach you Nanay. If you someone touch this cheese Nanay, it look like this. Yes.